Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fly DJI Lito X1. So first what we are going to do is simply really simple thing, turn on the controller and the drone. So it's the same way for a drone and a controller. So one click and then the second click will be longer, so like that. Now it's on, and now for the controller the same way, and like that. Now both will turn on, so we need to wait a few moments. Alright, so now you can see that everything is turned on, and the Lito X1 is also connected with the drone. Okay, with the motion control, with the controller. Now here you will see this blue button, go fly. If you click on it, it will go basically, it will show the camera on your drone. Now you have button right here, which means take off. So make sure it will take to altitude of 1.2 meters, so avoid any obstacles in that area. So right now I can't lift it off, but yeah, how you will do that: press and hold C1 button to take off. So if you have RC2 controller, you will find this button at the bottom of the controller. And this is the way how you can take off with your DJI Lito X1. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.